Well, it's aptly called Controversially Yours, and the controversial man is right now answering NDTV's Nikhil Naz's questions. Let's cut across live to a special interview.
They are great batsmen, but they may not be match winners.
Oh, look, what I said and what I written, the people need to go through to understand what I meant to say in that period of time. अगर आप norms मिलाओगे वहाँ उस time से लेके इस time तक तो आपको समझेगा मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ. So, but जो सचिन ने अचीव किया, जो राहुल ने अचीव किया, जो उनकी अचीवमेंट्स हैं, वो तो सारों के सामने है. I mean, it's 18,000 रन उसमें 100 सेंचुरी होने वाली हैं. There is no comment about that. He's not a great player or anything or that. He's शायद वो डरता हो या कोई ऐसी कोई बात नहीं. But the thing you have to understand what I particularly felt on that day.
Right.
That's what I written. So you gotta read the book rather pick up a few lines and say something.
Right. You mentioned good days, bad days. We of course know your good days against Sachin and Rahul, the Kolkata Test match, and then also the Faisalabad Test that you mentioned. In fact, that series was fantastic. What were the bad days against these guys?
Bad days were, I think, in the Multan that we had to field it. We have to field, and for I think a day and a half, and my legs were literally jammed, and I couldn't really walk. I mean, I usually couldn't walk in the mornings anyways when I had so much pain in my knees for all my career. But I think that test match was difficult when Virender Sehwag had a perfect scenario for him, slow track, and we smashed around the park, and I insisted heavily to the Pakistan curator and the board then make a fast pitches, lively pitches that both should carry. And if you do that, I think we have a better chance to win that whole test series. We end up winning the whole test series, but we could have won 3-0 that time because we had a fantastic attack and everything, but it didn't go according to my wishes. Right.
You mentioned how we are picking up certain things, or section in the media are picking out just certain things to create controversy. But would you mind that? Because at the end, the whole purpose is to sell the book, isn't it?
Look, I've seen enough fame. I've seen enough fame around the globe. And I'm not going to pinpoint the Sachin or Dravid or Ricky Ponting or Flan, Dhamkan, मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करूँगा जिससे controversy create हो और मेरी book बिके. I mean, I'm a firm believer of God. मैं अल्लाह पे बड़ा तगड़ा यकीन करता हूँ. मुझे इंसान ने किसी ने कुछ नहीं देना, या मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं किसी पे पॉइंट आउट करूँ, और मैं हमेशा जिसको अल्लाह ने इज्जत दी है मैं उसकी इज्जत करता हूँ. और ऐसी बात नहीं है जैसे कि ये लोग बना के पेश कर रहे हैं without even reading. Book is not even released yet. I mean, how can you comment? There's very few people that you have the book, and you're the only one I think created the controversy, not the whole people. But the thing is, you gotta understand the fact, the figure, the timings, and you have to understand my time, where I come from. I don't need to clarify things, but I would never do anything to make more controversy in order to sell my book. My story is there. I open my heart out, so read it through.
Talking about opening your heart out, another thing, in fact, because I was going through this book, I see this one picture of Shah Rukh Khan jumping on Shoaib Akhtar. I remember that was from the Eden Gardens game, and Shoaib Akhtar bowled fantastically well that day. But you also go on to mention Shah Rukh Khan, how you felt a bit cheated in the IPL?
No, I never said that Shah Rukh has cheated me.
Not Shah Rukh in particular, IPL.
Or Sachin darpok hai, ya Sachin great batsman nahi hai. I just saying the few things which I felt at the
But you had a bitter taste with the IPL?
No, not at all. Mera to one of the fantastic women in my life that I've been loved by so many Bengalis. Even they dared to drop me off, see me off to my room. And Shah Rukh never betrayed me. Shah Rukh always taken care of me like as anything. Whenever I come to India, I had so much love and I had so much fan following that I just amaze myself at times. But I'm just saying that the few things was there in the book. As I said, please read it. Please read it, and I request all the people to please read it and to understand where I come from. It is not the few lines, wo darpok hai, wo ye aisa hai, wo aisa hai. Shah Rukh has taken care of me like as anything. He taking me to घर पे लेके गया, मैं ख्याल रखा, make sure Shoaib को media तंग ना करे. I mean, coming out from the ban, he's easing me off and everything. But my thing was to say that ICL मैंने छोड़ी.
That's correct.
मैंने पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड के बगैर कहने पे भी छोड़ दी. मैंने कहा जी मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मुल्क को छोड़ के मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं ICL नहीं खेलूंगा. But at the same time I have an offer, a huge offer, a huge chunk of money. Imagine me signing in ICL and doing their promotion and everything, but it'll be a different ball game. But thing is, मैंने कहा मैंने पाकिस्तान के लिए खेलना और मैं पाकिस्तान के लिए एंड में रहूंगा. That's why I've chosen to come to IPL. But my only difference was Charu and Saurabh. And I told Saurabh, I'm not comfortable with the money and the bid. उसने कहा ये तुम्हारी bid हुई ही नहीं है, किसी ने आगे bid की ही नहीं. So I think that's the best price we can get for you, and we'll make it up for you later on the years. And Lalit Modi has promised it is blah blah blah. Okay, we'll make it up for you, this and that. That was the kind of thing, the kind of promises that I felt, that I've written. I never said that I have been cheated or deceived or been betrayed by anything, but I just written the incident, that what happened. But I never written that I have been betrayed or cheated.
Right. After reading this book, Shoaib Akhtar definitely loves himself, because there's a line there which says, "मुझे अपने आप से मिलना बहुत पसंद है."
When you're down and about, you like to meet yourself every now and then. When you do the wrong things, when you do the right things, yet you like to meet yourself again and again. And I think it's the best concentration that person can ever have when a realization is there, and he tries to improve and to become a better man. And every passing moment is a chance to turn it all around, isn't it? And then, obviously, over the period of time, as I mentioned in the book, we never had a father figure. As people are quoting Wasim Akram, that he destroyed my career, I am telling you the incident that he did not want to play me. And he did not want to play me because he wants to go along with the same combination what he was playing before. And I was the other side, as a young guy, I don't know what to feel about it. Either be loved by him or ignored by him or abused by him, whatever the reasons are. That's why I've written. So I think don't mix up the stories and don't clashes with each other, so it's not right.
Final two questions. One of them is with regards to that incident that I go back to Eden Gardens, where you had a fantastic game. You got Sachin out on the first ball, but before that game started, I believe you walked up to Sachin Tendulkar and said something to him which is mentioned.
He didn't know nothing about me, didn't he?
Yes.
So
what did you tell him?
I just said he will get to know me, but it's just a joke, like, right, he wouldn't remember that. I mean, I was probably looked like an extra in the team at that period of time, and Sachin is, I mean, right from the day when he was.
So you
great,
went and told him, "Do you know me?"
But as I said,